everyone, welcome to part 3 of my Christmas special, even though it's not actually Christmas anymore. Today we're going to finish off our tree with some candy cane decorations and a little tinsel. So, let's get started. Let's make some polymer clay candy canes. To match the colours of our tree, I'm going to be using black, pink and silver. Roll out a thick sausage of the black clay and 2 thinner sausages of the silver and the pink clay. Now, very carefully twist them together to make the stripes. Now, very gently roll the cane until the stripes sit flush against the black clay. You may want to twist it a little as you go if you start losing the stripe pattern. Now we just need to cut the cane up. I'm cutting it into lengths of around 3 inches. Now all you have to do is curl over the ends into a hook shape and bake them. To add some extra sparkle to our tree, I'm going to be using these glittery pipe cleaners. I recommend bending them a little bit first to help them cling to the tree. Twist the pipe cleaner ends together to hold them in place. You could also hot glue the ends down, but I found that this just made things really messy. And that's it, we're done! I hope you've had a wonderful Christmas, and I really hope to see you again in the new year. Thanks for watching! Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I really hope you'll like and subscribe because it means so much to me. Don't forget to check out the links below for more of my work. I hope to see you all soon. Bye!